This is the greatest travel network on the planet, over 45,000 kilometers of track, connecting you to ancient capitals, futuristic megacities, and breathtaking landscapes at speeds over 350 kilometers per hour. While everyone else is stuck in airport chaos, you could be gliding in comfort with legroom, reliable Wi-Fi, and a window seat to the real China. Welcome back to the Middle Kingdom Code. I'm Joe. This channel is your ultimate resource for modern, independent travel in China. We cut through the confusion and give you the clear, actionable codes you need to explore with confidence. If you want to travel smarter, not harder, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. Today, we're mastering the backbone of modern Chinese travel, the high-speed rail system. This isn't just a how-to buy a ticket guide. This is your complete 2026 playbook for choosing the right trains, navigating stations like a pro, and unlocking the freedom this network provides. Let's dive in. Our journey has 3 acts: the strategy, the execution, and the experience. Act 1. The strategy: planning your route. First, think beyond point A to B. This network is your web of possibilities. Forget flights for routes under 1,200 kilometers. Beijing to Shanghai. That's 4.5 hours by train, city center to city center. You save the airport commute, the brutal security, and you get scenery. Use these 2026 tools to plan. The official 12306 website or app is your source of truth for schedules and tickets. But for pure planning inspiration, I use Travelconnectpeep.com or China Highspeed.com for their interactive route maps and time calculators. Pro tip 2026. Look for D trains as well as the fastest G trains. Sometimes a D train is only 20 minutes slower but significantly cheaper. Always compare. My top scenic recommendations for 2026. The Chengdu-Chongqing line through mountains, the coastal route from Fuzhou to Xiamen, and of course the classic Beijing to Shanghai to witness the country's pulse. Act 2. The execution: tickets, gates, and stations. Now, let's execute. This is where most travelers panic. Don't. Step 1. Getting tickets. You have 3 main channels in 2026. First, the official 12306 app. We have a full tutorial linked below. Second, authorized English language agents like Trip.com. They charge a small fee but handle the interface for you. Third, station ticket windows, but I don't recommend this for beginners. Step 2. At the station: your 15-minute rule. High-speed rail stations are massive, but your process is simple. Arrive at the station at least 45 to 60 minutes before departure for your first time. First, security check, just like the airport. But faster: bags through an X-ray, you walk through a scanner. Second, find your gate or Jianpioku. Look at the massive electronic departure boards. Find your train number, like G123. Your gate number will be listed. It often only appears 30 to 40 minutes before departure. Third, the passport scan. This is the magic. No paper ticket needed. Go to your gate, place your physical passport on the rectangular scanner. The glass doors open. You're in. Step 3. On the platform, find your carriage number, shown on your ticket and on signs. Stand on the marked spot. The train stops with millimeter precision. Act 3. The experience on board and pro tips. You've made it. Now, enjoy the best part. Let's talk eating classes. Second class is the standard, clean, comfortable 3+2 configuration, power outlets, and decent legroom. This is what I book 90% of the time. First class offers wider seats in a 2+2 layout, a bit more recline, and a complimentary snack. Business class is the pinnacle, a 1+2 layout, seats that fully recline into beds, premium meals, and station lounge access. Now for your 2026 onboard essentials. Food. Every train has a snack trolley. For longer rides, you can pre-order a hot meal via the 12306 app to your seat, or simply buy instant noodles on board. Hot water is always free. Luggage, big racks at the end of each carriage, and space above your seat. No weight limits. It's glorious. Connectivity. Wi-Fi is available on most G trains but can be spotty. Your own local SIM or eSIM with data is more reliable. My golden rules for 2026. 1. Always bring the passport you booked with. 2. Download your ticket info offline. A screenshot is fine. 3. Keep your train ticket or ID accessible. You might need it after the gate for random checks. And 4. Quiet carriages are sacred. look for the Jing symbol, no phone calls here, mastering. This system doesn't just get you from place to place. It gives you the freedom to design the China trip you actually want. It's efficient, it's civilized, and it's an experience in itself. And that right there is what the Middle Kingdom Code is all about, giving you the keys to these transformative experiences. If this video unlocked the secret to stress-free travel in China for you, I need two things from you. First, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this guide is valuable and helps other travelers find it. Second, and most important, subscribe to the Middle Kingdom Code. We're just getting started. Next, we're decoding mobile payments, hidden food streets, and so much more. Your subscription fuels this mission. And if you have a friend dreaming of a China trip, share this video with them right now. Be the one who gives them the confidence to go. The country is vast. The connections are waiting. All you have to do is get on board.